shut down 4 of their nuclear reactors, 4 of their best nuclear plants. And you won't believe on what they are saying that has caused this closure. They are saying that the jellyfish and overheating of the water is the reason. But the report that we are getting is very much different. France was getting all its uranium from Africa, and specifically Niger. And let me tell you, just a few months ago, Niger decided to close all the contracts and also chased away that company that was mining uranium in Niger. The name of that company was Uranium. And because of this, France cannot get enough uranium to sustain its nuclear reactors. You wouldn't believe that France was getting a lot of uranium cheaply or even for free from Africa. They were really exploiting the African mines. And since the Sahel states took power, they decided enough is enough. And this has echoed the words of Putin himself, that France will fall if